You can log into the SecureWeb3 platform using your Google account, email, or by connecting your wallet. In this case, I'm going to sign in using Google. Once logged in, complete your wallet setup by filling in the missing details. Click on Update Wallet and you'll be taken to the Unstoppable Domains page where you can watch the tutorial video. Once you've watched the video, click on the search button and enter your brand name. Click on Select All to view all extensions, then click Search for Domain. Click on the menu icon next to the domain name you want and click on Buy. Click on Add to Cart. Once you've added all the domain names you want, go to your shopping cart. Click on Checkout, enter your payment details, and click on Purchase. Once checkout is complete, your domain names will appear in your Digital Assets section.